Now, repeat after me. Runglasses, runglasses, runglasses. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning, runglasses are specialized sunglasses designed specifically for runners and athletes. They are lightweight, provide UV protection, and are made to stay secure during physical activity, offering comfort and clarity while running outdoors. Runglasses protect the eyes from the sun, wind, and debris while ensuring they don't slip off during movement. Think of it like this. Runglasses are the perfect companion for runners, combining comfort, protection, and performance for outdoor activities. In a sentence, she never goes on a run without her runglasses to shield her eyes from the bright sun. Here, runglasses refer to the specialized sunglasses used for running. Let's try another example. These runglasses are designed to stay in place even when you're sprinting. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using runglasses. Synonyms. Some related terms for runglasses are sport sunglasses, sunglasses designed for outdoor sports and physical activities. Performance eyewear, glasses specifically made for athletes to enhance their comfort and performance. Antonyms. The opposite of runglasses would be casual sunglasses, regular sunglasses not made for physical activities. Fashion sunglasses, sunglasses designed primarily for style rather than performance. Part of speech. Runglasses is a noun referring to sunglasses designed for running and other outdoor physical activities. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.